Hello and welcome to the review shows. Today on the review shows we're going to be reviewing the Breville Blend Active. Just blend and go. Turn on your creativity. So we're going to unbox it and have a look what we've got in here. It's durable, odor and taste resistant plastic, one touch control, removable blades, and it crushes ice. So we're going to put that to the test. There's the book, just scratched open. Okay, we have a cup. Seems to unscrew. Oh, there's the blades, pretty lethal looking. So we have two cups in here, two tops, mug, and a blender. Oh, sorry beast. So quite a stylish looking apparatus. Just undo the tie. Twisty tie on here. So we have one set of blades. It fits. We'll check out the book and see how this goes together. Right, okay. Cool. Take that out of there. Right, so I'm going to go and give these a swill because they've just come in a box, and we'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, welcome back. We give these a bit of a swill. Get them nice and clean. And looking at the book, these are two 600ml bottles. There are markings on them, but they're quite faint. So this is what we have to do. There should be a maximum fill line on here as well, which again is very faint. There's the 400. I think, yes, there it is. You have to hold it against something to see it. The cord is not the longest. I suppose it's ideal in a kitchen because you don't want masses of cord everywhere. So we are going to try and make a smoothie. We have some orange juice. So what you do, you fill up your bottle with the ingredients you want to use. I got some frozen raspberries in here. So this should test the blades. We have some banana as well to go in. To make a nice healthy smoothie. A couple of frozen gooseberries. Add some yogurt to it as well. Nice sound. This is fat-free natural yogurt, so we should add that to it as well. To thicken it up a little bit. Okay, and then we screw the blades into the top, being careful not to touch them because they are sharp, and then we screw this until it locks. There's symbols on here for lock and unlock. So we're going to try and get it to lock. Make sure that's nice and tight. And there it is, locked. So now we shall plug it in and use the one touch blend button. See what happens. Ooh. So you have to keep your finger on there. Did we put ice in there? No, we didn't, did we? Let's add some ice. Because we want to test this with the ice. Because it says it crushes ice. So again, lock it in. And one touch button. Definitely crushing the ice in there, you can hear it. Okay, that looks like it's nicely blended. So, we'll remove the blades and shake. Screw on our drinking top, which has a nice seal. And I'm going to use, no, I'll use this first actually. That is well blended and that is nice and cold as well. That is lish. I'm going to try another one now using some soya milk. So this will be more of a milkshake. We'll add some yogurt as well to make it into a thick shake. Right, we only have one set of blades, so we're going to go and have to clean these off. So I'll be back in a minute. Okay, we've cleaned that off. It's nice and clean now. So we're going to add some banana to make a banana milkshake. So we should be with the yogurt, nice thick soya and yogurt banana milkshake. Should we make banana and raspberry milk? No, just banana. Banana and raspberry, that's all go. So, a bit of ice as well to test those blades again. So staying below the maximum fill line there. Add our blades. Make sure that's nice and tight. And then lock it in again. Okay, she's nice and locked in. And one touch button. take long actually to crush that ice and whisk that out. So now we should have, because we used unsweetened soya, a nice sugar-free, banana flavoured milkshake, soya milkshake. So let's try this. Oh, that is nice. You can taste the health benefits. So there we have it, 2 delicious healthy milkshakes from the Breville Blend Active blender. So there we have. Hope you've enjoyed this review show. If you have, please subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be notified of any other review shows coming up. And that's all for today. Thank you very much. Bye.